BrahMos Aerospace made an announcement that would potentially set the tone for India's missile development shortly. BrahMos is a supersonic cruise missile developed by the Russian-Indian joint company BrahMos Aerospace. The Indian Air Force, Navy as well as the Ground Forces uses the BrahMos missile. India's BrahMos Aerospace company announced that India would have its first hypersonic missile in 5 to 6 years. BrahMos Aerospace is capable of making hypersonic missiles. In 5 to 6 years, we will be able to have our first hypersonic missile by BrahMos, said Atul Rane, the CEO and the MD of BrahMos Aerospace. India's Defense Research and Development Organization, or the DRDO, successfully tested a hypersonic technology demonstrator vehicle in September of 2020. India has chosen an air-breathing scramjet propulsion system, which essentially means that the vehicle requires air from the atmosphere to maintain propulsion. During the HSTDV test, the missile attained a speed of Mach 6 and traveled for just 23 seconds. However, with this indigenously manufactured technology, India joined a select group of countries including the United States, Russia, China, with a technology capable of taking an unpredictable trajectory and eluding interceptor detection. According to the Russian Times, had earlier said that this test firing was related to making a BrahMos 2 hypersonic missile, modeled on Russia's Zircon hypersonic missile. Further, reports had earlier indicated India could unveil a hypersonic weapon as early as 2025, a timeline which has now been pushed going by the recent announcement. Currently, only Russia and China has an operational hypersonic missile in the world, while the US is still in the process of developing one. The BrahMos 2 is said to be twice as fast as BrahMos cruise missile, capable of exceeding Mach 6. Even though the missile is projected to have a range of 600 kilometers, experts suggest that the BrahMos 2, similar to Russia's Zircon hypersonic missile, would travel at a speed of Mach 8 and have a range of 1,000 kilometers. The aspirational announcement about the hypersonic missile comes when India is aggressively marketing its BrahMos missile to friendly countries. In a debut deal for the BrahMos missile, India secured a $375 million contract from the Philippines to supply 3 BrahMos ground-based anti-ship missile systems earlier this year. Meanwhile, another cutting-edge technology weapon system from the BrahMos will debut soon. The BrahMos joint venture has begun work on its new state-of-the-art BrahMos manufacturing center, which would design, develop, and produce a highly advanced BrahMos next-generation weapon system. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and please support us by clicking the thanks button below our video. In a clear message to an aggressive China, the leaders of the Quad grouping, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi of India, the US President Joe Biden on Tuesday expressed their firm opposition to any proactive or unilateral attempt to change the status quo on the call for the peace settlement of the dispute without resorting to threat or use of force. During the second in-person meeting of the Quad leaders, Indian Prime Minister Modi, US President Biden, Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida, and Australia's newly elected Prime Minister Anthony Albanese exchanged views about developments in the Indo-Pacific region and global issues of the mutual interest. The summit took place at a time when the relationship between China and the Quad member countries have become tense, with Beijing increasingly challenging democratic values and resorting to coercive trade practice. The relationship between India and China nosedived after the Eastern Ladakh standoff in 2020, following Beijing's moving thousands of troops to several disputed areas along the line of actual control, or the LAC, which was strongly objected to and resisted by the New Delhi. India, the US, and several other world powers have been talking about the need to ensure a free, open, and thriving Indo-Pacific in the backdrop of China's rising military maneuvering in the region. It said the Quad is committed to cooperation with partners in the region who share the vision of the free and open trade Indo-Pacific. The Chinese and the Russian fighter jet carried out a joint flights near Japan on Tuesday as the leaders of the Quad bloc met in Tokyo, the Japanese Defense Minister said in a statement. According to the Economic Times of India, Nobuo Kishi said that government had expressed grave concerns to the Russia and the China over the flight, which took place while the leaders from the United States, India, Australia, and Japan held talks on the regional security. The planes did not breach the territorial airspace, the Defense Ministry of Japan told AFP, and it was the fourth time since November that long-distance joint flights between Russia and China had been spotted near Japan. He said a Russian intelligence gathering aircraft also flew off the northern Hokkaido to the Noto Peninsula in central Japan on Tuesday, calling the moves especially provocative given the summit in Tokyo. Beijing confirmed the flights in the short statement and said it was in the line with the Chinese and the Russian annual military cooperation plan. On May 24, both countries' Air Force organized and carried out a routine joint strategic mid-air patrol in the airspace above the Sea of Japan, East China Sea and the Western Pacific maritime areas, a statement from the Ministry of Defense said. The Quad leaders on Tuesday warned against the attempt to change the status quo by force, although they avoided the direct reference to Russia or China in the joint statement. Their statement referred to the war in Ukraine and warned against a range of activities which Beijing has regularly been accused of in the region. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and please support us by clicking the thanks button below our video. India has cancelled orders of MiG-29 fighter jets, Mi-17V5 helicopters and anti-tank weapons from Russia in the last few weeks. A senior United States official claimed, according to a report to the Indian Express of India on March 4th. The official Assistant Secretary of State for the South and Central Asian Affairs, Donald Lu of the United States, made the statement before the United States Senate Foreign Relations Committee a few weeks before. India's Defense Minister has not responded to the claim as yet, but slowly India is confirming it by cancelling its helicopter purchases from Russia and other things to come. Mr. Lu said that it will be difficult for any other country to continue purchasing military equipment from Russia after the United States imposed sanctions on Moscow. Russia can't get any microchips or electronics for its military equipment or for its exports. India's Defense Acquisition Council had approved acquisition of 21 MiG-29 jets from Russia in 2020, according to India's ANA agency. As of now, MiG-29 jets have been cancelled by India. India might expand its jets with French-made Rafale jets. Aiming to support the Make in India initiative in the defense program of Prime Minister Narendra Modi of India, the Indian Air Force has decided to cancel plans to buy 48 more Mi-17V5 helicopters from Russia. Top government source told to India Today News the decision to withdraw the tender for the 48 helicopters was taken much before the conflict between Russia and Ukraine broke out, and has nothing to do with this global scenario. The tender for the 48 Mi-17V5 helicopters has been withdrawn given the push for the indigenization. It is modern military transport helicopter used by the Indian Air Force. These Russian helicopters are part of the large family of high-performance and multi-purpose Mi-17s that can fly at high altitude and complex weather conditions, be it in tropical and mountain climate or even in the desert condition.